White Rock Addiction Foundation are inviting general public to their inaugural conference. Theme: Global Drug Challenges in the 21st Century. Addiction Treatment and Rehabilitation as an Option. Special guest speaker: Professor Mohammed Ali Bate, Honorable Minister of Health and Social Welfare. Chief host: Dr. Mrs. Abike Dabiri, Chief Executive Nigeria in Diaspora Commission. Host: Dr. Olatunji Nasiru, Chairman, CEO, Broadgate Medical Service, Lagos State. Special guest of honor: Brigadier General Buba Marua, retired, Chairman, CEO, NDLEA. Distinguished guest of honor: Honorable Dr. Mrs. Betta Edu, Minister Property, Allocation and Humanitarian Affairs. Alhaj Basir Adewale Adeniyi, MFR, Controller General, Nigeria Customs Service, Abuja. Royal Fathers of the Day: His Imperial Majesty Oba Eniyan Adeyeye Ogunwusi Ojaja II, Onirisa of Yorubaland. His Royal Majesty Oba Joseph Adebayo Adewale Arojojoye II, Owa Ajero of Ijero Kingdom. His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Ambassador Olusegun Aderemi JP Atayero of Aramoko Kingdom. His Royal Majesty Emir Manu Isaku Ada Ale Akunkuka, Chairman, Taraba State Council of Chiefs and Emirs. White Rock Addiction Foundation inaugural conference will take place on 1st of December 2023 at National Center for Women Development Affairs, Central Business District, Safabalewa Way, opposite Central Bank Headquarters, Abuja, FCT, at 10 a.m. prompt. For enquiry, call or WhatsApp Ambassador Musa Mohammed Tosin on 0813-5428-457 or Reverend Dr. David Kayode Babajide JP. Patron host on 0019-1774-70837 or Honorable David Folaromi on 0806-344568. Let's join hands together to eradicate drug abuse among the youth.